Welcome to this tutorial on how to use BMO joint account. A joint account is a type of bank account that allows two or more individuals to share ownership and manage funds together. To get started, you and the co-account holder will need to visit a BMO bank branch and provide the required identification and documents. First, you will need to choose the type of joint account that suits your needs, such as a checking or savings account. The bank representative will guide you through the application process and explain the terms and conditions of the account. Once the account is opened, you and the co-account holder will receive a debit card and checks. If applicable, you can use these to access your account and perform transactions. You can also set up online banking and mobile banking to manage your account remotely. To make transactions, you can use the debit card to make purchases, withdraw cash, or pay bills. You can also use online banking to transfer funds, pay bills, and check your account balance. It is essential to review your account statements regularly to ensure that all transactions are accurate and authorized. As a joint account holder, you and the co-account holder have equal access to the account and can make transactions independently. However, it is crucial to discuss and agree on financial decisions to avoid any disputes or misunderstandings. To manage your joint account effectively, it is recommended that you set a budget, track your expenses, and communicate regularly with the co-account holder. You should also consider setting up account alerts to notify you of any large or suspicious transactions. In addition, you can take advantage of BMO's online banking features, such as account linking and bill pay, to streamline your financial management. You can also use the BMO mobile app to deposit checks, transfer funds, and check your account balance on the go. In conclusion, using a BMO joint account is a convenient and efficient way to manage your finances with a partner or family member. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure that your joint account is used effectively and securely. Remember to always review your account statements, communicate with the co-account holder, and take advantage of BMO's online banking features to get the most out of your joint account.